Okay, let's dive straight in. This is where you should have been taken to after your purchase. You simply had the option to sign up for updates, or you could miss that out and go straight to step 2 to download Mobile Community Control. And when you clicked on the download link, you were able to download the zip file to your computer. So that should look like this. So you were able to download the zip file to a location on your computer. Hopefully you've saved it somewhere where you can remember, and then you simply put your mouse over it, right click, choose WinZip or whatever program you're using, and then we're just going to extract the file here. And there we have our folder, MCC. If we double click on it, we can see the other folders that we need. So let's just go back one. The very first thing, let's just follow our checklist. We'll open up our MCC checklist. We've unzipped our Mobile Community Control zip file to a location that we can remember. The very first thing what we need to do is to make a copy of the unzipped mobile folder. So let's do that straight away. And the reason why you want to do this is simply, if you make a mistake, there's no need to go back to the download page. You have a copy here already that you can fall back on and start again. At that stage you can simply select the zip file and delete it. Okay, so the next point on our checklist is, when starting a new project, open your MCC folder and always create a copy of the original uploads folder, and then rename it in lowercase, no spaces, or if you're using more than one word, separate the words with dashes. And you're going to name that folder with the title of the directory that you're just about to build. Okay, so let's go and do that right now. Now I know previously through my own research that my directory is going to be called North London. So we go inside, and then this is the folder that we want to copy. We right click on it, select copy, right click again, and then paste. Now we have a copy of our uploads folder. And then to rename it, we right click, select rename, and whatever your directory is going to be called, you need to write it, but in lowercase. Mine is called North London. It's 2 words, so I separate it with a dash. North London. Hit the enter button. Good, so this is the folder that we're going to work with. Okay, let's go back to our checklist. So the next thing what we're going to do is to replace the default logo image, which is located in the image folder, with your own logo image. It must be named logo, and it must be in PNG format. Do not in any circumstances move the location of your logo image, or if you do that, your MCC directory builder will not be able to find it when it comes to creating your directory at a later stage. So let's go and do that. Let's locate the image folder and let's replace it. We're going to imagine that you already have a logo. You want to place your own logo instead of the default one. So we'll go inside here. This is the images folder, and this here is the default folder, the default logo that I've uploaded. I'm just going to expand it so you can see. Okay, so when you create the directories at first, it has this placeholder header image inside. We're going to replace that. Now I already have a sample header inside the folder. So the way how we're going to replace this is simply we're going to delete this. Right click, delete, yes, and then we're going to right click on this image. We're going to select rename, put your mouse there, delete the number 2, click anywhere on a white space, and that's now renamed to logo. Okay, so all you have to do is obviously to replace the default image or the default logo with your own image. Now the recommended size, if we look at this, is 357 by 225. Any image between 350 to 400 pixels wide is about optimal for mobile websites and mobile directories like we're building. Doesn't matter about the actual depth, as long as it's between 350 and 400, it's a good fit. On the other end of the scale, if you have a logo image that is smaller than let's say 150 pixels, 150 and to lower than that, then there's no need for us to use the optimization attributes that I'm going to show you soon. And the reason being is because that image is so small, there's no need for it to stretch across the width of mobile devices. It will all make sense to you in just a moment. So let's just go back. Let's go to our checklist. That was point number 4. This video is getting to 7 minutes, so we'll have to cut this video soon. The next video we're going to be talking about deciding on your domain name. Okay, so I'm going to stop this one and I'll see you in the next video.